Mga kanos! Welcome sa akong YouTube channel, Drinking Dos. I'm your barista, Aiko, 9 and for today's episode 16, mga must-try drinks plus mukbang by Kairoyaltea. City proper, near UP and Doctor's Hospital. Beside lang siya ng Istilo Iloilo. And along the road, and you could also park sa Cairo's parking space. And they just opened October 2019. And they have also another branch in San Joaquin, Iloilo City and just opened December 2019. And for their Taro milk tea with free bowl of pearls, maximum of 6 persons. For classic series, for only 360 pesos, premium series for 390 pesos, and for Nutella, 420 pesos. For foodpanda app, you can enjoy big discounts up to 50% off and free delivery on every order. From classic milk tea, premium milk tea, cheesecake milk tea, rock salt and cheese milk tea, brown sugar series, pre-tone Yakult fruit tea, milk fruit puree, and other drinks. And they're air-conditioned with Netflix seating capacity of 20 to 35 packs, free Wi-Fi with no limit. And for their charging fee, for laptop is 20 pesos per hour, and for phone, 10 pesos per hour. And they're open 24/7. Their sugar level, they have 0% no sugar, 25% quarter sugar, 50% half sugar, 75% less sugar, and 100% full sugar. When it comes to their 3-tone Yakult fruit tea, yung top part niya is the blue ternate, the middle is Yakult essence, and for the bottom part is the flavor of the fruit tea. Also available for loyalty cards for Kairoyaltea. Their rewards, for every 7th order, you get a free regular cup, and for the 13th order, you get a free large cup, and for the 19th order, you get a free extra large cup. And this episode is sponsored by Kairoyaltea. Disclaimer lang po, this is my own honest opinion and my own standards when it comes to taste test reviews. Hi there mga nos, so here, snacks and drinks by Kairoyaltea. These are all bestsellers in each of their categories. And dalawang klaseng cups po mga nos. They have U-cup, one being used Panda deliveries on the way to the delivery address. And they also have this unique style of frosted cups. So iba-iba po mga sizes nito. They have regular, they have large, and they have extra large. Let's start for our first drink. Their Okinawa milk tea with pearls for regular size, 500 ml, 90 pesos. Large size, 1 liter for 120 pesos. Perfect naman yung leveling niya. Yung blueberry, yung Yakult. Parang naging candy feel na siya, pero nandun pa rin yung essence niya, which is good. Sweetness niya, on point naman siya. Mga nos, naubos ko din si crinkle cut fries. Okay, for rating mga nos, for their 4-piece siomai, I'll give it a perfect 10. For their crinkle cut fries, sour cream flavor, I'll give it a perfect 10. For their slim fries, cheese flavor, I'll give it a perfect 10. And for Milktea series, Okinawa Milktea, I'll give this a perfect 10. Wintermelon Milktea, I'll give this a perfect 10. Milktea Dragon Fruit, I'll give this a perfect 10. For Matcha Espresso, I'll give this a perfect 10. For Yogurt, I'll give this a perfect 10. For Milky Wintermelon, I'll give this a perfect 10. Roasted Okinawa Rock Salt and Cheese, I'll give this a perfect 10. Chocolate milk tea, I'll give this a perfect 10. Brown sugar milk, I'll give this a perfect 10. For Oreo cheesecake, I'll give this a perfect 10. Red velvet cheesecake, I'll give this a perfect 10. Lychee 3-tone Yakult fruit tea, I'll give this a perfect 10. Blueberry 3-tone Yakult fruit tea, I'll give this a perfect 10. Categorize ko siya mga nos when it comes to ano yung best drink na for work. I would suggest Matcha Espresso. The go drinks, I would recommend Okinawa Milk Tea, si Wintermelon, si Milky Wintermelon, brown sugar milk. For healthy options or healthy products, ito masuggest ko si Milky Dragon Fruit and also si Kiwi Yogurt. Tastes something different and something unique. I would suggest si Roasted Okinawa Rock Salt and Cheese, si Red Velvet Cheesecake, and also si Dark Choco. Pero ito, I must say, well-proportioned yung kanilang sugar level. When it to, very precise yung standard procedure na ginagamit nila when it comes to ingredients, pearls, their milk, their cream cheese. Itong 3-tone nila, very colorful siya, very applicable siya sa mga kids. And extra large, worth it na siya kasi ang ganda ng packaging niya for frosted cup and also for brown sugar. By the way mga kanos, discuss ko lang yung cups na ginagamit nila. A frosted packaging cup. This is very unique. First time ko nakita itong type na cup. Sila pa lang po so far kita ko gumagamit ng ganito. The usual na may crown or may heart, the basic type of packaging. Ito, very unique siya, very different, and pwede mo siya reusable or pinaka sobrang dami drinks na cover ko for my vlog episode. Sila po yung pinaka busiest na Milktea shop na cover ko din. Kahit sobrang busy nila, kahit marami silang sa online, sa foodpanda, or walk-in customers na papasok, kahit ends or weekdays, very precise sila when it comes to standard procedure, flow of operation, and also yung pag-organize ng lahat ng drinks nila. O sila lang yung Milktea shop na merong free Netflix viewing. Kairoyaltea is famous for their Tower milk tea. And upon sa observation ko, mostly yung nagda-dine-in sa kanila, students na willing to order a Milktea Tower. At sila po yung pinakamaraming online reservation or booking sa foodpanda. Parang everyday, mga drivers doon, nakailera na doon sa labas. Siguro minimum 3 to 6 or 8 or more than. Kahit on the pressure sila, kahit sobrang busy, sobrang kalmado lang sila at organizing system nila, which is good. Kairoyaltea maintains their good quality of product, good service, very accommodating baristas and owners, budget-friendly, and a drinking nose standards approved. And I would like to thank for inviting me and trusting Drinking Nose to cover your bestsellers and products in my vlog Drinking Nose. Thank you so much, sir. I hope na di po to yung last i-cover ko yung drinks nyo and also your products. Big shout out sa lahat po ng baristas and owners na nag-prepare ng aking drinks. Sobrang thank you so much for your patience, for your time, and for your effort, for your passion when it comes to preparation for these amazing products. So a big thank you again, Kairoyaltea, and congratulations! Thank you for watching mga kanos. If you like this video, please do like and share it to one of your friends. And if you're new to this channel, please do subscribe and hit the notification bell icon for more updates and latest happenings for my Drinking Nose channel. This has been your barista, Michael Brian Jessa saying, bye!